Hi all, this is Animesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see how we can download the stock data live from the web using Python and turning that into Pandas data frame. So let's begin. There are various packages available to download the stock data, but one of the widely used and most efficient is YFinance. So I'll be telling you how we can download using YFinance. So first of all, if you do not have YFinance, you need to first install YFinance. So if you are doing the pip install in Jupyter Notebook, you need to start with an exclamation mark, but if you're doing it using a command line prompt, you can just do without the exclamation mark, and I'll just execute it. So in my case it's already been installed, so this will be quite quick, but in your case this might take some time because it's going to install for the first time. And so now I see that requirement is already satisfied, so now we can begin with importing YFinance library. So I'll be first importing YFinance as YF, and then I'm going to import the pandas as PD, and I'm going to execute this because these are the two libraries that we'll be needing. Now I'm going to create a ticker, and inside this ticker I'm going to pass the abbreviated name available for Netflix stock. So we are going to download the Netflix stock. I have not given the complete name and given a name like this, so let me just show you from where I have taken. So as you can see, I am at the Yahoo Finance website, and you can see a name which is an abbreviated name for the name of the stock. So whenever you search for a stock, you see a name inside this bracket. So this is the name that we have to pass in the ticker to get the data of that particular stock. So let's go back to our Jupyter Notebook, and now I'm going to create a data frame where I get the stock data. So I'll be using the download functionality of the YFinance package. So I'll be using yf.download, and inside the parenthesis I will pass ticker, and this is how I'll get the data of Netflix since the beginning. And let me see the top 5 rows of this data. As you can see, we have the data since 2018, and you see the date which has been the index of this data, and we have open price, the high price, the low, the closing price of that particular day, and then we also have the adjusted close price and the volume of that particular day. So this is how you download the data from the web. And if you want to save this data, we can save this data in CSV format by using the pandas 2 CSV format. So what we'll do is we will do df.2 underscore CSV, and inside the parentheses we will pass the path where we want to save this data with a name and the csv.csv format, and I'll execute this, and this is how it will be stored in my download folder. I'll just show you. So as you can see, I have this Netflix stock in CSV format in my download folder, and I'm just opening it just to check whether it has downloaded in the correct format or not. And as you can see, I got this in the CSV tabular format. This is what I wanted. Now coming back to our stock data. So further I'll be explaining how we can do the exploratory data analysis, and further on this stock data how we can create a stock prediction machine learning algorithm in my subsequent videos. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.